It's me again, Nikki Soprano. Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan kasama na yung mga mahal sa buhay. So for today's video is an episode of a video song reaction from Almira Lat. And you know, I just discovered this song for just today. And you know, this song, she sang this song during their wedding day, and actually she surprised his husband, and the song is entitled to He Knows. So guys, before we continue, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Nikki Soprano, and click the bell notification for more updates. So this time, without further ado, let's start to watch it.
A few months ago, I asked Kuya Boom, also
My
known to you as Lolito Go, to write a song for my wedding day. I sent him a few lines that I wrote myself, and he fashioned it into a piece of poetry before he finally set his original music to it. I would also like to acknowledge Mr. Ian Inigo for his beautiful and magical arrangement, and to my Kuya J.R. Banez for his flawless mixing and mastering of the track. So a million thanks to you guys for this collaborative effort. Thank you also for keeping quiet about the project. I know Joshua is not surprised anymore that I'm the one who will sing for my bridal walk. But my surprise is, here's the original song entitled He Knows. I offer this song to him and to the man I prayed for, who is now to officially become my other half.
Yung crew. Wow! Ang ganda ng poses!
I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown.
The lyrics of the song is so meaningful.
I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back in place. When the roads take it rough, he knows that we can steer them back, and he's ever there to help us clear the path. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine.
Ang ganda ng kanta.
We have made some mistakes, but his day with faith and love, withstood the blast. 'Cause he knows that only you can see me through. And because of this, I give you my
Galing.
Thank you, Lord.
Ayan, sinundo na siya ng kanyang napangasawa. Hinatid siya ng kanyang parents. This is the traditional wedding of the Filipino. Nabibless sila sa parents ng lalaki. Oh, this is from Subic Park Hotel in Manila. Grabe. Alam niyo, napakaganda ang kanta. Alam mo yung, the reason why I cried, because of the lyrics of the song. If you really focus on the lyrics of the song, ang ganda ng lyrics ng kanta. Very catchy. And very meaningful ang kanta para sa kanyang napangasawa. You know, and besides, Almira Lat, she is a great singer. Ang ganda ng kanyang boses. At first, when she started to sing the song, her voice something like angels. Na very solemn, very holy, and furthermore, the lyrics of the song is so meaningful. Doon ako napaiyak, yung mga liriko ng kanyang kinanta. At you see guys, nakikita natin while she is singing, walking along the aisles, the visitors are crying. You know what? Because of the song is so meaningful. And actually, this is the tears of joy. This is not the tears of sadness, but this is the tears of joy. Napakaganda ang kantang ito. Very meaningful, relates to the relationship. At doon nakita ko sa lyrics niya na, of course, hindi naman lahat is perfect. There are, they have some problems, but for me, in my own understanding, God is there to clean all the mess. Di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Doon ako napaiyak sa lyrics ng kanta talaga. Kaya pa yung bride na kumanta ng kantang ito is, she feel it, you know, talagang from the bottom of her heart. It's a very great singer. Grabe, wala akong masabi sa kanyang kinanta, guys. Alam nyo, you know guys, sometimes if you want to understand the song, you need to see the lyrics of the song. Before, bago natin makikita yung kalabasan ng kinanta niya, kailangan natin muna intindihin ang laman ng liriko ng isang kanta para doon natin mararamdaman ang tunay na emotions, diba? Ang tunay na feelings natin doon sa kinanta. Napakaganda talaga. You know, this is the first time actually I heard this song, He Knows. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan to. Napakaganda talaga. At alam mo yung, napaiyak ako. Sana all na lang lahat naman kinasal ganito. Di ba? Oh my God, wala na akong pang ibang madagdag pang sabihin. Tuloy, napapaiyak talaga ako. Di ba? Napapaiyak talaga ako. Super ang ganda at ang galing na Almira Lat. Lahat ng audience kanina, nakikita natin, lahat ay napatulo ang luha. At saka yung, especially yung groom, napaiyak yung groom, and he was surprised also with the song of her wife. Kasi this is the original song the wife said just now, right? So, yun lang masasabi ko, guys. So guys, what can you say about it? If you have some other reaction or another requested song, please don't forget to write down below, like and share this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for more updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!